another day, another project. You see here, this used to be pedal for controlling the speed to a sewing machine. So inside here, I suppose it's a kind of potentiometer or something electronic. But what I'm trying to do is to have a sustain pedal for my keyboard. It's very easy to do that. It's very easy to do that because, let's say, the sustain pedal for keyboards depends on what kind of keyboard it is. It's a very simple something. So you just have a jack, 3.5 millimeters jack. That's the tip here, tip and sleeve, and that's the ground also, let's say, and we have two wires. It goes like this, and the other one goes like this, let's say, let's call it like that. So, depends on the model. When you open the circuit, when you push the pedal, then this contact is going down here, and then we have a long, let's say, attack, a long note, musical note. When you push it up, then it's normal pressing on, off, on, off. Okay, but now depends on the model. For some models is the other way. So the circuit it's always off. So when it's getting on, then the sustain occur. So like I said, what I'm trying to do is to use this like a sustain pedal, or maybe like this. Now depends, I can even touch a piece of metal or something down here to make it longer, like a real piano player. But for now, what I'm trying to do is to find a way to dismantle, because I never used that before. That was very simple, in fact. And there we are. So what we got here? Oh, we have a kind of electronics, but I really don't care about that because I don't need that. What I have to do is to find a way to apply a switch over here, and when this one is pushing down, you see this one here, it's pushing this spring over here, and then here I should have a contact. So it's nice because we have a screw here, I can use that, and we have this one here pushing already this. You see this is a very triangular thing, so it's going exactly like this. This is nice. Okay, I have to find a kind of switch or a kind of maybe from an old relay, something, two pieces of metal like this with some good contacts here, and then to push it down to have that effect. This is a micro contact, a micro switch, I think this one should be perfect for my purpose. Then I can fix it here somehow. You see, like that. And when the pedal is pushing, then I have this very nice and easy contact. And this is a very good contact, by the way. But I have to find something how the machine is working. Like I told you before, there are different kind of sustain pedals, so now I have to experiment with mine. Okay, so there we go. I have the machine hooked up, and now let me test with the keyboard. Yeah. You see, so I'm pushing the key. Okay, let me have a very, very clear sound here. So I'm pushing the key. Just pushing the key. No sustain. Now, I have to test to see what kind of pedal should I have. So, you see? So I may call it an off circuit. Let me say, so there is no contact between this and I have sustain. You feel it? Out. When it's in the air, I may say we have sustain. Now the bad point is that I'm pretty sure this kind of micro switch, it's kind of always on. So let's see. When I push it, it's off. So I'm really afraid I can't use this one. I need one that it's always in the air, like this. And then, when I press the pedal, okay, this is very, very clear. I can't use that one. I have to find another kind of micro switch to have it the other way. So let me show you graphically what I meant. Let me out. Okay. So I have the first screw already here in place. You asked me how I'm gonna put these things here. Well, the old classic way, with a little bit of heat from my soldering pen, and I will just push it into the plastics. Nice and slowly, it's getting in. There we are. Perfect. My little concern now, it's about if the tongue in here have enough place to run. But it's looking like yes, let's see. Because I need this to be under there. Perfect. And now you see when it's pushing, then I have this disconnecting there. It's very good like that, but I need it a little bit closer. Not only closer, but yes, look there. That should be perfect. And to be sure that everything is smooth over here, then I go like this and like this. This one goes back up here. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I have to check if everything's okay. It's vacuum. Cool. Yeah, it's okay. All I have to do is to solder the wires. Of course, it will be a proper way to have all these wires together. But for now, I think it's okay like that. There. Okay. Okay, let's check with the multimeter. So now we should have a beep on. Okay. Yeah, we have a beep. Not anymore. Yeah, almost there. Just a little bit more and we are in the business. I think so. Yeah, now I can even hear the click. Let's see. Let's wait a bit now on. Should have some, of course. Let me have all the effects out. Okay, you see, that is a short sound. That was a short sound, no? Okay, then let's have this on pedal here. There we are. Even let's say let's have some strings. Okay, pedal on. You see? It's running. Off. Thank you for now, friends. I hope this is useful. It's a very simple idea how to use, to recycle things, you know, because okay, maybe a pedal like this is not so expensive, but as long as you can do it with your own way and with your own parts, you know, cables and so on, why not? Thank you for now. Be safe and see you soon. Bye bye.